Welcome to Learning Together Too. I am so glad that you're here. In this video, we are going to review remainders in our division answers and how to express them as fractions. Look, our Mojituti friend William has come to help us. Hi, William. William, what is 27 divided by 5? That's okay, William. We'll work it out together. William, we are going to use method 2 to solve this problem. And the first thing that we are going to do is rearrange our numbers. William, the dividend goes over to the left. The divisor goes over to the right. The divisor and the dividend are separated by a division bracket. So, how many times does 5 go into 2? 0. Well done, William. 5 times 0 is equal to 0. Let's write that 0 below the bracket, below the divisor. Now, let's write the answer from the multiplication below the 2 and subtract it from the 2. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Very good, William. William, now we bring down the 7 in 27. We write the 7 after the difference 2. Now we get to ask, how many times does 5 go into 27? 5. Very good, William. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Let's write the 5 below the bracket to the right of the 0. Now let's write the 25 down and subtract it. 27 minus 25 is equal to 2. Well done, William. Look at that, William. We have 2 left over. William, this 2 is called the remainder. We are going to use the letter R to indicate the remainder. That way we won't have to write the word out. William, if we stop dividing here, there are 2 ways in which we can give the answer. One way is by indicating the remainder. So our answer is 5 with a remainder of 2. Nicely done, William. The other way is by writing it as a fraction. The fraction will be expressed as a mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is also called a mixed number. William, the 5 becomes our whole number. The remainder becomes the numerator. And the divisor becomes the denominator. Our answer is 5 2/5. Excellent, William. William, although they are expressed differently, both answers are correct. If this method does not look familiar, check out Long Division, Remainders and Fractions, Method 1, where Sarah, our Mojituti friend, will give us a hand. Otherwise, let's try it again. If you have the exercise book for this video, bring it out to work with it. Feel free to pause the video at any time as you follow along in the book. William, let's find out what 213 divided by 8 is equal to. First, let's rearrange our numbers. William, the dividend goes over to the left. The divisor goes over to the right. The divisor and the dividend are separated by a division bracket. So, how many times does 8 go into 2? 0. Well done, William. 8 times 0 is equal to 0. William, we can see that 8 doesn't fit into 2. We don't need to write it down to find that out. When the divisor doesn't fit into the first digit of the dividend and we notice it, instead of working with the first digit, we can work with the first 2 digits. William, instead of asking how many times does 8 fit into 2, we can go ahead and ask, how many times does 8 fit into 21? 2. Nice job, William. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Let's write the 2 below the bracket under the divisor. Now let's write the answer from the multiplication under the 21 and subtract it from the 21. 21 minus 16 is equal to 5. Very good, William. William, now we bring down the 3 in 213. We write the 3 beside the difference 5. Now we get to ask, how many times does 8 go into 53? 6. Very good, William. 8 times 6 is equal to 48. Let's write the 6 below the bracket to the right of the 2. Now let's write the 48 down and subtract it. 53 minus 48 is equal to 5. Well done, William. Look at that, William. We have 5 left over. Remember, William, that this 5 is called the remainder. Great job, William. And that we are going to use the letter R to indicate the remainder. William, if we stop dividing here, there are 2 ways in which we can give the answer. One way is by indicating the remainder. So our answer is 26 with a remainder of 5. Nicely done, William. The other way is by writing it as a fraction. The fraction will be expressed as a mixed fraction. Very good, William. A mixed fraction is also called a mixed number. That's right, William. William, the 26 becomes our whole number. The remainder becomes the numerator. And the divisor becomes the denominator. Our answer is 26 5/8. Excellent, William. Remember, William, although expressed differently, both answers are correct. William, I think you've got it. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming videos. For more great videos, visit learningtogether2.com. If you already have the exercise book, continue with solving the problems, and thank you so very much for your support. But if you don't have it, get the exercise book that goes along with this video. Find the link below in the description or by visiting learningtogether2.com. You might also like to get William or your favorite Mojituti character. To learn more, visit Mojituti.com. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. And don't forget to click on the like button. See you soon. Oh, by the way, are you a puzzle person? Find your puzzle at the Vista Puzzles. Scan the QR code or find the link below in the description or by visiting learningtogether2.com.